Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. So the FAA has been putting a lot of pressure on hobbyists about our aircraft that we have in the air. Anything over 249 grams must be registered with the FAA and must have remote ID. So for a lot of us, the solution has been to just purchase and fly sub 250 gram aircraft. But what about all the craft that we have that's already over the limit? Well, we're just going to have to get those things registered and get remote ID on it. This item I have right here is a solution to get those aircraft back in the air registered with remote ID. The Ruko R111 Remote ID Broadcast Module is a small device equipped with Bluetooth and GPS that you can attach to your aircraft. This little module needs to be paired with an app called Ruko Scanner, and it can be found on iOS and Android. And once you pair it to this app, it allows you to input all your registered information, remote ID, the type of aircraft you're flying, the name of the module, which would be R111. And I guess the best thing is that you can use this device to locate the craft. If you lost the craft, you can still locate it and track it. And on top of that, you can actually change the information inside of it as far as what craft you're flying. So you can use this one module for all your aircraft. So it charges up via USB Type-C on the side there and charges up in about 40 minutes. They give you various ways to fasten this thing to your aircraft. I've chosen the adjustable zip tie. You have fixed zip ties that you can use here. And also there's double-sided mounting tape. And we get two patches of that. We also get Velcro patches, 2 of them. And so it also comes with a manual to detail everything thoroughly to get you set up. And also there's QR codes in there where you can download the app using your camera on your phone or tablet. Once you get this Ruko scanner app installed, it allows you to scan for other aircraft that's in the air that have remote ID installed. You'll be able to see all that, and you'll also be able to track your own device as well. There's a power button right here that you have to long press for about 3 seconds to get this device to turn on, and then you have a settings button there that you have to long press for 3 seconds in order to get this device in bind mode. It has 3 LED lights right here on the device, and they serve as notification of various actions. Next, I'm gonna grab my tablet to show you guys what to look for when binding this thing to the Ruko app. Alright y'all, so I got the Ruko scanner app installed on my tablet. Down here we have a refresh button there. You hit that refresh button and it'll scan via Bluetooth. Ours is not in bind mode, so we're gonna long press this power button, get it turned on, and then we have to long press this settings button. So now it's rapidly flashing. We're in bind mode, and we see our number right there popped up on the app, so we're going to hit that. And so it connected. So when you buy one of these modules, it has the remote ID on the side of it right there, and that's the number that pops up there is your remote ID number. And so when you register with the FAA, you're going to get a registration number, and you put your number here, your registration number. Let me see. Yeah, got to get this thing to focus. Okay, so you're going to put your registration number there. You're going to put your operator ID there. You're going to put your aircraft model there. You're going to put the weight of it there, and it's not going to allow me to save this because I have not entered all the required fields there. So this is as far as I'm going to be able to take you in this part of the process. But if we go back out to this screen here, this is the button that you press there in order to scan to see if there are any other remote ID aircraft in the air. And so mine is not showing up now, but usually there's a map that shows up here. but you have to connect. Oh, there it is. So the map just pulled up now. So once you have this binded to the app, then you'll see a little blue spot with your registration number floating wherever you might be. So lastly, I just wanted to take this thing outside, strap it to one of my aircraft, and show you guys that the aircraft will take off with it and all. For the Ruko U11 Pro, I think the best mounting position is right here on top, because you want to have this thing out of the way of the propellers, and you want to have it away from the GPS unit on the drone. So it's definitely locked in with some of the satellites and all. So kind of cold out here. So check it out. It has our location right there. Let's fly off a little bit. Over here. Have you just stay right there. And so we can zoom in a little bit. Check it out. That little blue dot right there is us. A small lightweight module. As y'all can see, this thing weighs 15.9 grams, so about 16 grams. To add remote ID and added protection of tracking to your aircraft. The Ruko R111 remote ID broadcast module. Thanks for watching.